Hi Angels! So, today po is my brother's graduation day and super nakaka-proud kasi may mga awards siya. Pero kahit di naman siya magkaroon ng awards, nakakatawa pa rin. So, ayan, just wanna share you the momentous event of our brother. Siya yung pinakabunso namin. Actually, 4 kami magkakapatid. Napakwento na. 4 kami, ako ang panganay. And I'm the first one to graduate sa lahat naming magpipinsan sa mother side ko. So, yun. Saka na ito ako magkwento. Next time na. Flex natin tong damit ko. Tadam! Hindi siya masyadong makita. Yan. Tapos nakaboots lang ako. Yan. Boots plus this skirt. So, yan. Tara! Saan siya?
A pleasant morning to our distinguished guest, Engineer Desiree Catubag, Ma'am. Our barangay officials headed by Honorable Rogelio C. Sanchez, Sir. Our energetic faculty and staff headed by our supportive principal, Miss Rachel C. Carroll, Ma'am. Our cooperative SPTA officers who are here, loving and supportive parents, fellow graduates, and visitors. I want you to keep your eyes in front as I speak to you, for you to understand the essence of today's celebration. Naway inyong maintindihan, aking mga kamag-aral, ang aking sasabihin sa umagang ito. Ako si Mike Daniel I. Cordova, ang inyong kaklase, kaibigan at katuwaan. And it is incredible to stand here before you today. On behalf of the entire batch of 2024, it is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of MH Del Pilar Elementary School, school year 2023-2024. Isa sa pinakahihintay nating mga estudyante at ng ating mga magulang ang graduation day. Today, we gathered here to celebrate the most significant milestone in our lives. The day of celebration and recognition of our achievements. A day with mixed emotions as we experience joy and sadness for bidding farewell to our friends and teachers who completed our elementary days. Fellow graduates, we are about to reach high school. Huwag kalimutang mag-enjoy at manatiling masaya habang tayo natututo sa paaralan. Sulitin ko na po ang pagkakataong ito to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of us and acknowledge the support that helps us along the way. Without the help and guidance of our parents, guardians, and teachers, hindi tayo magkikita-kita sa umagang ito. So it is good to see you today. Akin ding pinasasalamatan ang ating Panginoong may kapal. May we all find ourselves under His guidance, that our wisdom, knowledge, skills, and talents be used for His ultimate glory. Again, I welcome you all as we celebrate this unforgettable graduation ceremony of MH Del Pilar Elementary School, Batch 2024. Congratulations, fellow graduates. Enjoy the moment. Good luck and God bless us always.
Thank you, Mike Daniel.
The son of Mrs. Beji Cordova. He will receive a bronze medal and certificate of academic excellence gold medal as Boy Scout of the Year, another gold medal certificate for his outstanding performance in mathematics, another gold medal and certificate for his outstanding performance in science. He will also receive a gold medal. He will also receive a gold medal from the local government unit of Alicia for his service as SELG President. He will also receive another gold medal for Service Excellence Award as SELG President from the President of the Rotary Club of Alicia, Tagay, Honorable Vice Mayor Andivon Velasco.
Practice lang. So that's all for today's video. Guys, sana mapanood nyo to and hoping na maging maayos po yung journey ng kapatid ko. And for you too, of course. Congratulations sa mga gagraduate ngayon at sa mga gagraduate pa ng mga kapatid nyo o kayo na nanonood ngayon. So, that's all for today's video. Bye ulit. Nakalimutan ko lang mag-congratulate. So, sobrang excited ko. So, bye! God bless us all.